Create an embedded profile for Ricoh. A prerequisite for installation is to create an API key. Ensure you copy the API key and store it safe. Click Embedded. Click Add. Give the configuration a name. Select Ricoh. The application type is default to Gen 2. Type in the machine administrator username and password. Choose how users are going to authenticate at the device. Select the API key you have created. Choose any of the options if needed. Click Save. You can now use this profile within a printer ready for deployment.